it's a great opportunity for Siemens and Compass. I think the U.S. lacks the infrastructure today to compete in the AI space, so investment, speed, and strategic alignment is going to be critical for us to speed up that process and really meet the needs of the industry.
At its core, our vision at Compass is to apply manufacturing principles to real estate development and make the entire data center development process more efficient. What we do is we jointly develop products, we co-invest in production capacity, and we're looking for a partner who's willing to embrace that kind of a model. And it's a very unique model in our space, and we're super excited to have Siemens embracing that model with us.
Compass strategy is a modular data center, and that's where we started thinking that how can we make our solution modular and fungible. With that intent, our solution was to let's pull in all the components which goes into your distribution network, and let's put them in a skid solution and make a modular, which align with the strategy of Compass, and do all those things in the factory. The far most important thing was the fast deployment of the product and solution in the market, then also the fungibility, so that you can reallocate the product and solutions to multiple sites so that you can pace up your own speed to build the data center, and also the TCO, the total cost of ownership, of course, along with that, the product which will last.
Siemens really showed some creativity and resourcefulness. They were the ones to put together a cross-functional team. They adapted to our way because, as you know, Compass is weird. We like to do things differently, and they were able to adapt to our way of doing it.
The great thing about the partnership between Siemens and Compass was the collaboration from day one. The transparency was immediate. We were working together to solve something that was a big problem for us and on our campuses, and we were able to solve that very, very quickly with a speed that I haven't seen to date. The speed in which we're going to be able to execute on medium voltage, as well as the quality and the increase in that quality, I think is going to be a fantastic advantage for Compass and our customers. As the data center industry continues to explode in terms of demand, and with AI, with cloud, really solutions that are the fastest to ready are super important, but also the built to last aspect. And I think Siemens and Compass are really aligned around those two elements.